Hi guys, in this video we will see how to add folders to your start button of your Windows 11 and 10 system just next to your power button. Here you can see just next to power button no any folders added. Now we will see how to add items here. Simply right click on start button and choose settings. From the left side of settings page, go to personalization settings, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option start. Click on start. Here scroll down and look for the option folders. Click on it. Here choose which folders appear on a start next to the power button. Here a lot of options of folders available. Simply turn the toggle button on which you want to add to your start menu. You can see just settings icon appeared just next to your power button. So from here you can easily add or remove folders from your start menu just next to power button. So simply add and remove from here. If you want to remove, simply disable the toggle button. Otherwise, if you want to add, simply turn off the toggle button to enable or disable folders appeared in start menu.